Good morning, children. Let's continue with the next exercise, that is multiplication of a polynomial with polynomial means even a binomial with a binomial, a trinomial with a binomial. Any of these, the basic is you should know how to multiply a monomial with a monomial. Let's continue with exercise 9.4. In your textbook, multiply the binomials. Exercise 9.4, question number 1. Multiply the binomials 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. The first expression is having two terms. The second expression also are having two terms. How to expand it? A binomial with a binomial. Now you follow the pattern till you are thorough in direct expansion. The first step is the first 2x with 4x minus 3, the full second term. The same sign you can bring it down, 5 into 4x minus 3. Now 2x into 4x, monomial into monomial, minus 2x into 3 plus 5 into 4x, plus into minus is minus 5 into 3. Once you are thorough in expansion, you can do it directly. 2 into 4 is 8, x into x is x square, minus 2 into 3 is 6, 6x, plus 5 into 4 is 20x minus 15. Minus 6x and 20x are like terms, that is 8x square, minus 6 plus 20 is plus 14x minus 15. So the answer is a trinomial. The second one, y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Let it be any order. Either y minus 8 into 3y minus 4 or 3y minus 4 into y minus 8. The method remains the same. That means y into 3y minus 4. The same sign as minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Y into 3y minus y into 4 minus 8 into 3y minus into minus is plus 8 into 4. Here you have to be careful with the sign. Next, 1 into 3, that is 3y square minus 4y minus 8 3s are 24y plus 32, or 3y square minus 4 minus 24 is minus 28y plus 32. There remains the answer. Now, if you are thorough, you can avoid this step, you can directly multiply. But let's continue 2-3 sums in the same procedure, then later on we can do it directly. 25L, 2.5L, third one, 2.5L minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. If you look into that, it is like an identity A minus B into A plus B. You can apply in the exam as A square minus B square, or let us expand it normally as 2.5L into 2.5L plus 0.5N minus 0.5N into 2.5L plus 0.5N. Now, 2.5 into 2.5, let's write all the steps. 2.5L into 2.5L plus 2.5L into 0.5N minus 0.5N into 2.5L Minus into plus is minus 0.5n into 0.5n. The multiplication of decimals, you can just multiply the numbers. You can remove the decimals from the right. So 25 into 25 is 625. One decimal place, another one, that means there are two decimal places. 6.25 L square plus 25 into 5. It is 125. 1, 2. So 1, 2. 1.25 ln minus again 1.25 ln minus 5 into 5 is 25. 1, 2 decimal place, 1, 2 decimal place, it is n square. Positive 1.25 and negative 1.25 ln gets cancelled and the final answer is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 N square. This is why I told you it's of the form A minus B into A plus B. You can directly apply the identity as A square minus B square. A plus 3B into X plus 5. The fourth one. A plus 3B into X plus 5. A with X plus 5 plus 3B into X plus 5. Let's start doing it directly. Number is 1, number is 1. So it's only AX plus A into 5. Normally we write the numerical coefficient first. So 5A plus 3BX plus into plus is plus 15B. AX, A, BX, B. All are unlike terms. The answer is those four terms together. Subdivision 5. 2PQ plus 3Q square into 3PQ minus 2Q square. Once you put the bracket here, there is no need of a multiplication symbol there. It is understood that it is for the product. Let's expand as 2PQ into 3PQ minus 2Q square plus 3Q square into 3PQ minus 2Q square. Since there are many letters there, let's go in an expanded way. 2PQ into 3PQ. To get the correct answer, don't go the mental answer, you just work out so that the answer will not be mistake. Minus 2PQ into 2Q square plus 3Q square into 3PQ plus into minus is minus 3Q square into 2Q square. 2 into 3, 6. PQ into PQ is P square, Q square. Next, 2 into 2, 4. P, Q cubed, because Q is to the power of 1 and Q square. Plus 3 3s are 9. Q square, Q square, Q cubed, P minus 3 2s are 6, Q to the power of 4. The answer is 6P square Q square minus 4P Q cube plus 9Q cubed P minus 6Q to the power of 4. Here this 4 has to be multiplied first. So 3 by 4 A square plus 3B square into, it's only just asking you the pattern 4A square minus 4 means 4 by 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 by 3 B square. And the procedure is normal. 3 by 4A square with 4A square minus 8 by 3B square plus 3B square into 4A square minus 8 by 3B square. First term into first term. That means 3 by 4A square into 4A square minus. Leave little gap and write so that you can clearly understand the terms. 3 by 4A square into 8 by 3B square, because we have already considered the minus here, plus 3B square into 4A square plus into minus is minus 3B square into 8 by 3B square. Let's simplify it. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So 3a to the power of 2 plus 2, 4. Next, this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 4 and 8 gets cancelled, minus 2a square b square plus 4 3s are 12a square b square. 3 and 3 gets cancelled, minus 8b to the power of 4. So these two terms can be simplified. So what's the final answer? 3a to the power of 4 minus 2 plus 12 is 10 plus 10a square b square minus 8b to the power of 4. I hope it is clear. Question number 2, switch off the video now. Do it on your own and then refer the answers. I hope you must have done. Check your answers. I will work out. By that time, check whether you got full correct or whether you made mistake by carelessness. 5 into 3 plus x minus 2x into 3 plus x. 5 into 3, 15 plus 5 into x is 5x. 2 into minus 2x into 3 is minus 6x. Minus into plus is minus 2x square. So 15 plus 5x minus 6x is minus x minus 2x square. The second one, x into 7x minus y plus 7y into 7x minus y. 7x square minus xy plus 7 7s are 49 yx. It's the same as xy because multiplication is commutative, plus 7y minus means minus 7y square. Minus xy and 49xy can be like terms, 7x square plus 48xy minus 7y square. A square into a plus b square plus b into a plus b square. A square into a is a cubed plus a square into b square is a square b square plus b into a is ab or ba the same plus b cubed. So they are all different terms. The answer is all those 4 terms. P square into 2p plus q minus q square into 2p plus q. P and p square is p cubed. So 2p cubed plus p square q, then p q square and minus 2p q square minus into plus is minus q cubed. And again, all the 4 terms are different terms. So the answer is the same. Check your answers and see whether you got full correct or one mistake. More than that, you need to practice with integers again and again or with monomial and monomial because it is a simple. These are all simple questions. Children, all these questions are same pattern. What you can do again is switch off the video, try to work out on your own and then switch on the video to see the steps and your answers. X square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. First step is x square into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. It is x cubed plus 5x square. If you keep the hands like this here, you will not make a mistake with the sign. Minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. X cubed plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 and plus 25 gets cancelled. Same way, a square into b cubed plus 3 plus 5 into b cubed plus 3 plus 5. So a square b cube, no change, plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 15 plus 5. So a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cubed plus 20. T into t square minus s plus s square into t square minus s. T into t square is t cubed minus ts plus s square t square plus into minus is minus s cubed. All the terms are different. Here also be careful with expansion. A into c minus d. Those who can do at a stretch can do in your mind. AC, AD. Keep your fingers here, hands here. BC minus BD. Similarly, AC, AD minus BC minus BD. Those who can do directly can do it, or you can write one more step. A into C minus D plus B into C minus D plus A into C plus D minus B into C plus D plus 2AC 2BD. Now you can expand. AC minus AD plus BC minus BD plus AC plus AD minus BC minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Now collect the terms with the same letters or like terms. Positive AC, then another positive AC, and then you can see 2AC. After collecting the like terms, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4AC. Next, AD, do you have? Yes, here. That means positive AD and negative AD gets cancelled. 0. Plus BC and minus BC is getting cancelled. Then minus 2BD, minus BD and plus 2. That means minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 and minus 1 will become minus 2BD plus 2BD, which means again they are getting cancelled, or the answer is 4AC. Next one, x into 2x plus y into 2x plus y. By this time you must have increased your speed in writing. Say in your mind and write so that easily you can improve your speed also. Plus x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y. Like I am saying now, say in your mind and write. 2x square plus xy plus 2xy plus y square plus x square minus xy plus 2xy minus 2y square. Try to write the letters even if it is yx in that alphabetical order, so it will be very, very familiar to you. Instead of writing yx, if you write xy, it is multiplication is commutative and it will be in a very familiar form to you. 2x square, now plus 1xy plus 2xy is plus 3xy, again minus xy, again plus 2xy. That means we can cancel it as positive xy, negative xy, positive 2xy, positive 2xy and positive 2xy means it will become plus 4xy. Then this x square term, there was one more x square term here, so it was 3x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 2y square is minus y square. So that is the answer of question number subdivision 5 of question 3. Subdivision 6, find the product of x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. I have written there very important expression. You need to understand that because it's a very, very, very important expansion. It is expansion as well as this form expression can be used as a factorization. Let's derive it. X plus y into, that means x into x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. X into x square is x cube minus x square y plus xy square plus yx square minus x y square plus y cubed minus x square y and plus x square y is getting cancelled. Plus xy square minus xy square, or the final answer is x cubed plus y cubed. So this is an expression x cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is an important expression, or it is the factorization of x cubed plus y cubed. Similarly, just learn this also. X cubed minus y cubed is equal to x minus y into all the terms positive. That is the difference. So these two, you can study it. It is needed in class 9, class 10 and so on. It's a factorization formula. The next expansion is 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. 15 into 15 is 225, 2 decimal place. X into x is x square. Then 15 into 4 is 60, 1 decimal place xy. Then 15 into 3 is 45, 1 decimal place x. So that answer is over. Minus, let me change the color for you to understand. Minus, if you keep the hands like this, you will not make a mistake. 15 into 4, 60. Y into x means xy, 1 decimal place. Then, minus 4 into plus 4 is minus 16. Y square. Minus 4y into 3 is minus 12y. So that term is over. And the third one, minus 4.5x plus 12. See which are all the terms getting cancelled. Positive 6xy, negative 6xy getting cancelled. Then positive 4.5x, negative 4.5x getting cancelled. Then plus 12y, minus 12y is getting cancelled. So what is the final answer? Final answer is 2.25 x square minus 16 y square. That is the final answer. And this also, when you see, the answer will be a very simple one. If you see the terms a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c, it will be simple. Let's go with the procedure. A into a plus b minus c plus b into a plus b minus c plus c into a plus b minus c. It is a square plus ab minus ac plus ba is the same as ab, b square minus bc plus ca is the same as ac plus bc minus c square. Now the terms which are getting cancelled, positive ab not getting cancelled, minus ac and plus ac gets cancelled. Then what about the bc term? Minus bc and plus bc is getting cancelled. So what is the final answer? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. So these are the answers till question number 8. Check your answers the same way. Identify yourself whether you have made mistake in a careless way or whether you made mistake by not knowing the content. If it is not knowing the content, start from the lesson again, monomial into monomial, revise it again.